I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the method, a second device camera or a local decoding method. If you use a camera, place the device's steady and increase screen brightness. This improves contrast so the camera reads the pattern. Once done, if you prefer one device, take a full-screen screenshot that clearly contains the QR, crop only if it helps. Make sure there's no glare or reflections. These preparatory steps matter because a blurry or low-contrast image will fail to decode. You now perform the actual scan. If using a second device camera, align the QR in the viewfinder and hold steady at about 6 to 12 inches so autofocus locks. The app usually recognizes automatically. If you captured a screenshot, open a QR decoding app or the Photos app that can read codes, upload or share the image into the reader. Once the code is recognized, the app shows content or a URL. Make sure the image fills the reader's scanning area to speed detection. You finish by acting on the decoded content. Open the link, copy text, or save credentials. Always verify the destination before proceeding. If the code won't scan, increase screen brightness, tilt the screen slightly to remove reflections, or retake a higher resolution screenshot. These fixes usually resolve read errors. If mobile tools still fail, transfer the image to a desktop and use a reliable decoder app or web service. One key troubleshooting tip: disable any screen filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.